The types of companies that offer remote tech jobs. There are many different types of remote jobs available, from small startups to global giants. Here are just a few of the many companies offering remote tech jobs. Big tech companies, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple are just a few big-name tech giants that offer remote jobs in software engineering, data analysis, web development, its support, marketing, and more. Startups. Startups are a great option if you're looking for something new and exciting in a remote job. Many startups offer remote jobs that allow you to work directly with the founders and are often more flexible than larger companies. Consulting firms. Consulting firms specializing in technology often provide jobs for experienced professionals who can help clients solve their problems. Education. Educators can often find remote jobs teaching software development, coding, web design, or other topics related to the technology field. There are plenty of opportunities for teachers and trainers, from remote schools to online training programs. No matter what kind of remote tech job you're looking for, there's sure to be an option that fits your skills and interests. The possibilities are endless with these types of jobs in software engineering, data analysis, web development, and more. Have you heard about cryptocurrencies? Investing in the world of cryptocurrencies can be a great way to diversify your portfolio. If you want to start your crypto investment, here's a helpful tool that would help you enhance your trading skills. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. TradingView is the perfect place for beginners and experienced traders alike. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your current strategy, TradingView has everything anyone could need. Check out TradingView today. If you want to learn more about the different careers in the investment field, check out our previous video.